Good morning, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, today I have a sponsored video and it's about this device. This is a car display. If you have an old car like me and you want to upgrade it with a car display, I have one. It's the AOOCCI or something, put it over there. And it's the V30S. So I would say, come on over and we're gonna unpack this. Come on. Now guys, this is the AOOCCI, very difficult name. I'm gonna unpack it. Now let's see what's in the box. Get the lid off. Okay. We have this one out of the way. We have the manual. It's in color, which is good. It's in English, which is also good. Let's have a look if there is another language. Nope. It's in English. That's good. Here we got the screen, the display. That's for later. Let's place it over there for the moment. In here, again, a wonderful piece of foam. Then, now let's see this out of the way, guys. We have the first. This is the charging cable. Yes, and this. That looks nice. It looks like a bit of carbon-alike stuff. It looks good, but there is no extra outlet for another USB charged device. So that's a bit of a downside. As in my car, I have only one outlet, cigarette connection. And this is the one that goes to the unit. This is for the GPS. You got a GPS receiver. Now, this looks good. Let's see, what more do we have? Over here, another, this is the GPS receiver. Now, let's see, guys. Sticky patch. That goes in here. Then glue it somewhere, maybe underneath the dash, as I don't want to have this thing somewhere on my dash. Well, maybe I do, but I don't know for now. Okay, let's move on. Then we have, and this is, guys, this is the rear camera with a very long cable, and I love it to park the car with this system. This red wire goes to your reversing lights, so the unit knows automatically when you reverse the car that it needs to show the view of this camera. It's great. I absolutely love it. Then, let's see, we have another cable. It's with two fuses. Guys, this cable, you don't need to connect this. I looked up this cable in the manual, but I can't find anything about how to and where to attach this cable onto the car's wiring. But it's actually only to record your route. So afterwards you can download it with the app. I think you shouldn't bother to figure out how to attach this cable and the GPS module. It's a nice feature,
but for me it's not important.
Then we got the two mounts. This is a mount. Have a look. Sticky patch. You can put it on your dash or on the windscreen. That's good. This is rotatable. Also good. And you can extract it normally. Yes. See? Oh, now that all plastic. And I'm sure you have to lean it to something. If you stick this just to the your windscreen and you let it dangle in the air, then it goes up and down. But then we have another. This one, guys. Holy shit! It's hard plastic, not bendable. So it goes. Let's see, on top. On your dash, like this, so, but it needs to have an absolute flat spot. Yeah, but it looks sturdy with, of course, a huge sticky pad goes with it. No. We're gonna have a look at the unit, the screen. This is the unit, the screen. Now, let's have a look, guys. Wow. See that? Here I am with a camera. Nice. Slide it in and out, rotate it a bit, and wiggle it up and down, also good. Take this off. Hoppa. Here. All plastic with a button. Okay, and over here we have all the inputs. This is your port to charge it. This is for your rear camera. There is place for an SD card. And this is the AUX output. You can attach it with this cable. Wait a minute. This one. This cable goes in here, and then you can connect it to the input of your radio, your car stereo. Nice. Now, like this. First, take this off. Yeah. From now on, you get sticky fingers onto it. This looks good. It's all plastic, but the speakers. I'm gonna take a charger, USB charger, and we're gonna fire it up.